close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so you have seen how I wash the crayfish, and you have seen how I basically got it and got out the nasty stuff out of it. So now I'm going to show you the type of seasonings I will use to marinate it and to set it aside to, you know, make the seasoning soak in for a bit, so stay tuned. Yes, okay guys, so I'll put in a little black pepper on it, just a few shakes because I personally don't like black pepper. I will be using some onion powder, put out in it some pink salt. There's not a lot in it, but yeah. Try to, as you can see, I'm freehanding this, but I will try to put the recipe in the description, so you know, for interested persons you can have the. And I have good old Jamaican Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Use a lot of Maggi actually. Yeah. This is cayenne pepper, and remember these are pepper, crayfish, and blue crab fish. So I want to use, you know, a good amount, probably a tablespoon and that. And as I said before, I'm just freehanding now, but the recipe will be in the description. I'm using complete seasoning, so this looks like it has parsley, onions, lime, and garlic in it, and you know, it has salt in it as well. So careful when you're adding the salt. Okay, yeah, that you can just like again. Add a little pinch of that. Lightly is seafood spice. So yes, so I put in a good amount of the seafood spice, and in with the Cajun seasoning. Right. Some fresh pepper to, you know, soak in it. So these are my 2 peppers. Just give them a nice rinse. Wow, this is going to be hot. I'm not dicing the peppers because I really don't want to eat them. I do not want to eat these peppers, guys, so cut them into pieces where you can actually see them. I'm trying my very best not to get the seeds in it because, as I said before, I don't want to eat them. But it's important you get at least some seeds in it. Okay, so these peppers will do just fine. Yes, and there you have it, freshly seasoned pepper, crayfish and blue crab. So please like, share, leave me a comment on what you think or what you thought about the video, and most importantly guys, please subscribe and finish watch the video in full. Alright guys, I almost forgot this important part. Place your seasoned blue crab and crayfish in a Ziploc bag to marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay guys, we're back now, and this marinated for at least 8 hours actually, because we're just doing it like a midnight snack, because them not cause me I just for look at, you know, sweet up people mouth and not for really full nobody belly. So he just puts some garlic cloves in the oil, just I guess himself with some scent, you know, kind of some old wife tricks. So yeah, so right now I'm just at the final prep for the pot. I'm just we're just carroting because this recipe fairly quick, and we're going to do it with, I'm not sure as yet what we're going to do it with. Probably bake some potatoes, boil corn or boil the potatoes, I'm not sure yet. But right now he's just getting everything ready. And then this is fairly quick and easy recipe. Once you season up the seafood, there's nothing else to do but to put it in the pot, really. Already. That is so creepy. Hey.
Some skillet
Woo! It just lit me. Yes. It reached now. Yeah man, this is nice. It smells like it all salty and nice.
If I get the color. Fix up itself in a little water where it will spring. Then we put some my own water in it.
You ready?
Yeah, so come back guys, we're gonna deal with the potato and the corn. Alright people, so Madam Shadika step away for a bit. Well, these are the corns. And you know, looking at the pot here, so boy, look on the steam there. Also, see them there? Come on, talk to it, people, talk to it. How them look?
Darling.
Them look good. Shadika has returned, people.
Hey, she said to boil it up, leave more water then and season it up. Is it?
No, I haven't done anything to it yet.
Oh, what for the egg? So
yeah.
Get some more because I never go on.
Yeah, people, you are witnessing Shadika's bad habit, taking off the pot off the stove and leave the fire on. Tell me if she don't like waste gas. Anyways, this me a feature, right? So right now,
you probably need a bigger pot. No?
Yes. We will need the bigger pot.
Come on, hey!
God help you now. And so we put the water in there.
Probably make it themselves too.
Yeah. We always show you good people them something here because we know say we're not gonna try it. You know that we are fact.
One easy 1, 2 this. If you live in a country And also you can catch crayfish.
Crayfish and them something there.
And I want to recipe this one. Get look at vegetable oil, look at season from the farm and back and salt to the surfboard. You remember the dirty surfboard? Lord God.
Yeah. So we're going to switch over the pot to a bigger pot. I'll put some Irish potatoes in it. Yeah man, so sweet there. And my trick for mellow, for kind of mellow.
That smells nice, babes.
Alright, so my trick for mellow the pepper a little bit of a put little brown sugar. Not tell nobody. Yeah, so yeah, so if you kind of mellow the pepper, adapt me do with it, but not a lot, just a little bit because too much can be disastrous in the pot. A little goes along. People, never seen before footage Shadika cook on camera. See her there. See her do her thing there. She can do like something. She know what this. Watch her.
Yes, I'm just not the chef. I'm the home cook. That's what I am. I'm just not the chef.
Yeah, so we'll put in a little more seasoning on it. Yeah.
Look how tricky enough to get it out in there, you know?
Yeah.
Put it in there.
Who teach you that one there? I mean, no say the me teach you that.
And what's mommy?
Alright, look up yourself, mommy.
Alright, so put in the...
Yeah, we are going to switch over the pot. And we're going to stir up that.
I must stir.
Alright people, so here are the diced potatoes. Wifey over here, so clean up the used utensils. So the can over here, so I'm going to have something like seasoned water, seasoned with a bouillon cube. Is that a ginger icy?
I never put ginger in it.
You never put no ginger?
No.
Okay, so I'm wrong, a piece of can. Alright, so wifey seasoned it with a bouillon cube, piece of scale. 2 bouillon cubes, piece of scallion and a thyme. And now I add this to go and bubble down in it to diced Irish potatoes. Give it a nice stir. Nice little stir right there, so. Now make everything go and boil. I'm gonna just cover this quickly. I take on over to crayfish and crab. The crayfish and crab are cute though. 8 hours of marinating, me I tell you. You know me say you can marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes, but me season from morning. So you know, say the whole heap of season when you see me putting it earlier. Yeah man, cook down night. Look there.
Is that split?
It's the split. Look there. Look at this. I want to see when the bust them, so you know say the juices are that little sauce and cook down right there, so in it. Like okay. Nice. I should go where I laugh. I don't know why she laughing. Yeah, so cover this here next 5 minutes and then back off the stove. So this is the finished product. I tell you in case when I crab claw them and God no. It no hot pepper, but it pepper and it nice. I tell you season good. And things. You know, say Shadika go like this. See how here? Mama and her pink.
Yeah. Beat up myself early, you know.
Yeah man, this is go nice. So I'm gonna go couple it with some corn and
That's ice.
aye, potato, look how it fog up the phone man. I clean up this and come back. Alright people, so me Shadika take them out. Look at that corn boil, potato boil. Next I go put some butter on it. See butter, yeah? This is the butter we're using. No, so I'll be a free promotion look on this channel.
Can I tell you?
We don't want money.
I don't assume. Basically, I say you have to go on, you know, when you're not too up there.
Yeah.
So when you're up there, you can make demands. It's to me anchor I want at least 30,000 US per video.
Box cover.
Straight, so.
Just eye.
When we reach the right number, I just, go and show them things for free. Well, I'm cut this up a bit more.
Wait, if you put in a bowl, then put the butter in it.
I don't know what to cut me and do now.
Well, yeah, that works. You can just drop it on them, come back, put them in a bowl and then shake them up with the butter in the same way.
So may I serve it?
So you serve it?
Yes, so may I serve it.
Okay. I hear a thing now, fight you.
That will drop right off, you know.
It melt it, it not look like.
I want it to melt, that's the whole point.
Put some on the Irish to know, man.
See, alright, so this one erotic.
So you drop off.
We are try.
Alright people, so Shalika go share out the crab them in here. Yes, this way I eat it out of. We know. Crave them. Look on the big spoon too. Just fling them in the Shalika. Dash it out. What's so bad? Both your left.
People may tell you this is like a nice peppered version of curry crab. This is
that.
I just dump in like a nice jambalaya.
Look at these people. And to think the furthest we're going at high school cooking class. Miss Forsyth, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Miss Forsyth. Yes. Go there. Oh, sir. Especially how it tastes. Taste.
She's sausage. You say I love anything with pepper and this.
Nice.
It touches. It touches the right spot, man. It does. It tastes like a ton of curry crab without the curry. It's like a perfect version for me because I can't eat seafood one bag of fun like up and it no but like heavy sauce, curry sauce, milk sauce. This are just the
Yes people, you have made it to the end of the video. We thank you for watching. If you're new around here, we urge you to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and we hope you enjoyed and learned how to make the pepper, blue crab and crayfish meal.
stir fried, yeah. Yeah, I don't even know what to call it.
People.
But delicious.
It was delicious. We not like we can't move.
I'm belly full. I can't talk. I'm telling you for all I talking. I pepper licking
like
too
it.
hard, man. I'm not finish up.
Act up the sinus, we not telling a lot of people nice, bad. So as I said, thanks for watching and subscribe, because around here, that is the golden rule.
Subscribe it.
And watch the video in full.
Yes.
And like the video. And comment and tell us what you think about it.
Help us get those watch hours, guys.
Yeah, so until the next video, guys, cook some good food and just enjoy life overall.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.